Okay, now our Q8 already keeping in the water about 30 minutes, a half hour. Now let's try if this intercom can speak normally. Now I talk with Carrie. Hi Carrie.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes. Hi Carrie.
I can hear you.
Yes, very clearly.
Hi, Chloe.
Yes. Hi.
Hi.
Yes.
Yes,
Still
still
very
very
good.
good.
Yes. So our mesh intercom QH has waterproof. The level is IP67. So IP67 means you can put this intercom in the water about 1 meter deep, about 30 minutes, and you can still talk with your friends normally. And so if you and your friend riding in a heavy rainy day, you don't need to worry the water will broken this intercom because our intercom, our QH has IP67 level waterproof. Means you can put this intercom in a depth of 1 meters and keep 30 minutes. This can speak normally. So yes, this is our QH.
EJEAS, Mesh Intercom Experts.